Hi. So for the flow changes, this is the flow that is already built, flow signature, and I'm using this flow. There is a lot of things. Basically, this flow have a screen which create an account, and then it create a signature. But signature does not have the account field, so they will not be connected right now. But that's okay because I want to show you how we can pass the other parameter. So let me show you. Right now let me activate the latest one where the parameter is not passed the other parameter. So how it's supposed to work? Yeah. So first screen is asking for name and account number. To create an account, then it will redirect you to the signature screen. So let me testing and 1 2 3 4 5. So next I put other parameter variable here to see if the other parameter is passed, but there is nothing passed as your other parameter. So you see it is blank, and it is so first name is populated with experience first name and experience last name. So let me show you. This is the experience that the flow is using, flow account dummy. So I just added two new parameters, default first name, which is experience first name, default last name, which is experience last name. So this signature is not connected to any parent, neither account because account field is not there, so it's not connected to account either. So that's why I did not put any field here. That can be merged later. So this is hard coded, and you can see this is auto populated here. So let me assign it. Okay, and the account that just created right now. This is not the account. Yeah, testing. This is the account that I just created using the flow, and there might be a signature as well. Yeah, so this is the signature that is created, experience first name and experience last name. So the create lead when new signature is created or something like that, there is a functionality that is I think enabled. That's why it created a new lead and connected it to the signature, but it's okay. So this that okay, let me show you. So it got the signature and it processed it. So that's fine. Let me delete it and show you how the new functionality is working. Let me show you how we can set up the other parameter. So here let me explain the flow. So flow got a screen. uh, any flow can have a screen. Generally we create a screen. So this got a screen that have an input called name. So you can see the API name is name, and then other one is account number. So these account number is called screen variables, and name is also a screen variable. So there are two screen variables, and you can manage them from here. From manage, you see there is a account number variable and name variable. So we can use it anywhere in our flow after the screen. So we use these two variables to create an account. You see here we populated accounts field account number with account number. This is a flow screen variable. Similarly, this is another variable which is name, the screen component name. And when we create an account, we assign its ID to a record ID variable. So variable is kind of separate variable we create in a flow to hold informations. Now these are the variables that we can use in our last screen on signature, and we can pass it to the other parameters, but we cannot pass it directly. We need to pass it in a pattern like we do with the signature. So the pattern is the parameter name and then value. On the place of value we put the flow variable, and then the parameter name and the parameter value. So you see the parameter name is default signature name field, which is first name. Default first name is name, and default last name is account number. So the name and account number is a flow variable, which is a flow screen variable actually. uh, but when we let me show you by testing it. So this flow have two version. The first one we tested 8, which does not pass any other parameter, but flows version 7 pass other parameters. So I activated version 7 and let me run it. Yeah. Flow first name or last name. See, we passed the other parameter default signature name. Here we put the name variable, and here we put account number. But Flow actually replace it with actual variable. So that's great. And now you see the fields are auto populated with other parameters. So technically, other parameter overrides the experience variables, experience parameters. And if there is no parameter here, it will still work because it is passed through other parameters. So that's great. And let me sign it. Yeah, it redirected you to home JSP, I think. Yeah, the return URL is home JSP. So that's okay. So I am thinking this is what our client wanted. So please let me know. Please check and let me know. Thank you.